day, I'm Nicole Esguerra from BSIS2 Section 2. In this video, I will show you how to do SQL tutorial. So for today, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and lets you access and manipulate databases. As you can see in my SQL tutorial, what can SQL do? SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can retrieve a data from a database. SQL can insert records in a database. SQL can also update records in a database. SQL can delete records from a database, and SQL can create new databases. SQL can create new tables in a database. SQL can create stored procedures in a database. Here are some of the examples. So here, as you can see in the SQL statement, is I'm going to re-edit the part of the select command. So I will delete first the parts of the select and will enter a new set of words like select employee ID, comma, last name, comma, first name, and will enter from and employees, and last is comma. So as you can see, I enter all the select command, and as you can see, I will run this SQL. So it will have a result of number of records of 10 and employee ID, last name, and first name. Also, as you can see, it has a 10 employee names and employee ID in last name and first name. So this is the preview of the SQL statement of the select command. And we will have a new command of update. So here also, as you can see, I will edit the update command. I will delete the select command and will re-edit it with update command. So first, I will edit the update command. As you can see, I will put update employees set last name equals the name of what I have here is Casano, comma, first name, no, first name, comma, space, first name, equals Vincenzo, comma, where birth date equals apostrophe 1968 12 08 apostrophe semicolon. So here I will run the SQL. So as you can see, you have made changes to the database rows affected one. So here, as you can see, the employees have the same number of 10, but the result is employee ID, last name, first name is Casano Vincenzo, and the birth date is the same 1968-12-8. So I will edit the last name and first name because of the update command. So number 2 is same, Fuller Andrew. The number 3 is also the same. So here is the preview of the update command in the run SQL result of the employee ID, last name, first name, and the birth date. So as you can see, the number 2 to 10 is also the same with the select command. Here, as you can see, the table name employees have still the same records of number 10. Going to scroll upward, we will do the other command. So here's the another command is insert into command. So I will edit the SQL statement to input the insert into command. So here, as you can see, I inserted insert into employees, close parenthesis, last name, comma, first name, comma, birth date, close parenthesis, values, open parenthesis, the name, Casano. Next is the first name, Vincenzo, and comma, the birth date 1968-12-08, semicolon. So, we will run the SQL. You have made changes to the database rows affected one. And we will go to the employees, click the employees, and the SQL result is 11. So as you can see, the number of records is 11 because we inserted a new command of insert into, and it added the name Casano Vincenzo, the number 11, with the same birth date, and it has null at the bottom of the picture, photo, and notes. This is the preview of the insert into employees. It has number 11 Casano Vincenzo with the birth date 1968-12-08 with the null value. With the same of the number 1. So here's the next command on the SQL. We're at the last command, which is the delete from command SQL statement. So as you can see, I will put delete from what table name is employees, semicolon, and you have made changes to the database rows affected 10. So as you can see, the table name employees, but the records is still not the same because it's 0, because the database result is no result because of the delete from command. So this is the preview of the delete from command. Thank you.